Now looking at the seventh question that is given to us here, the seventh question is 3 times of t minus 3, which is equal to 5 times of 2t plus 1 is given to me here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this 3 multiplies with this is multiplicative term, this type of questions which we have completed in our first exercise also, and this 5 multiplies with each term inside the bracket. Okay, so what I am going to do in here is, now before I go ahead, now let me tell you, I'm 33 years old and I learned, or my teachers have taught me when I was back in grade 8 or 6 or 7, whatever it was, okay, to draw lines as such to show that which term multiplies with what, or where does it particular term go. And still after so many years I still draw lines, and I what do I say, I still practice it. It is 5th January 2004 now. Not 2004, 2024 actually. Okay, so I still do it this way. Okay, so this multiplies with it becomes 3t minus of 9, which is equal to 10t plus 5. Normal equation we got, bringing the 10t to this side and 9 towards the other side. 3t minus 10t is equal to 5. Minus 9 becomes plus 9, which sums out to be here minus 70, and this turns out to be 5 plus 9, that's going to be 14. Okay, now I can see that 7 and 14, they come in the same table. 7 1 times and 7 2 times is what I get. So minus t is equal to 2. But I am not supposed to find the value of minus t. I am supposed to find the value of t only. So I am going to multiply this equation. This minus sign would automatically go to 2. Okay, now how do I want to get rid of this sign. When you have sign, minus sign in the beginning, and you want to get rid of with this, you can understand what is the logic actually. You actually multiply with another minus sign. So minus into minus, it becomes plus t, and this full term you're multiplying with minus. So minus into plus, it becomes minus 2. But for easy, this is the logic actually, this is how it is actually done. But for me, for an easy understanding, I know that these terms will change their signs. T will become positive and my 2 will become get a minus sign. Okay, and what else I can do is this minus t, for understanding purpose, this minus t is equal to 2 is here. I'm going to send this, consider this is minus 1 also. 1 into t still becomes t, right? This is minus 1 here. This minus 1, if I send towards the other side, it becomes 2 by minus 1, which is nothing but minus 2 only. So t will be equal to minus 2. Either you do understand it this way, or you understand it this way, multiplication with minus sign, or you directly change the signs of the equation, it will be the one and the same. So I prefer changing the signs. Negative t, what it was, minus t is equal to 2, but I want the value of t only. So t will be, the sign goes to the side, minus 2 it becomes. That's how I prefer doing it. Okay, going with the 8th question in here. The 8th question that I have here is 15 times of y minus 4 minus 2 times of y minus 9 plus 5 times of y plus 6 is equal to 0 is given to me here. Again the same thing, multiplying with each term in here and it making it easy. So 15y becomes 15y, minus of this becomes 60, minus 2y, this minus 2 is going to multiply with this, so it becomes minus 2y, minus into minus plus 18, and plus 5y and plus 30 is equal to 0. Add all the y terms together. 15y minus 2y will become 13y, isn't it? It becomes 13y. 13y plus 5y will become 18y. So it is going to be 18y. Then you are left with your negative and constant terms. Again, this is differentiation, like, you know, you can differentiate. This differentiation, or to differentiate between the like and unlike terms, was again taught to me in my school, and that I still follow it. Minus 60 plus this and plus 30, it becomes total 48. I'm adding all the positive terms, these two becomes 48 together, and minus 60 plus 48, they'll undergo subtraction. This becomes a 5 here and 10 here, it becomes 2, and 12 is the answer in here. This is for some people who cannot do the calculations quick and fast. There will be some people who will be having a slow pace at calculation, so that is for them, not for everyone who can just orally do it. Okay, So the bigger number is minus 60, if you can see here as well. So that sign, the bigger number sign will come here. Minus 12 is equal to 0. But still we didn't get the value of y. So that for that I need to start sending. Now people will say we'll send 18 first. No, 18 is in a very close bond. 12 is in a very far away bond with y. So first, which is the one which is in a far away bond, that is to be sent. 12 goes towards the other side, okay? And then what do I have here? This and this, do they come in same table? Let me see. Yeah, they do come in same table, 6 table. 6 2s are 6 3s are. So 3y is equal to 2 you get. Now send this 3 down because 2 and 3, they don't come in the same table. So it will become 2 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3 will be your answer here.